warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Azara Ivana Fatiha with NPM 2241123 from Management Class B. Here I will explain the material about risk and return. Risk and return. Risk and return are interrelated converted in finance. They refer to the potential economic loss or gain from investing in securities. Here are some key points to understand about risk and return. Risk signifies the chance or odds that an investor is going to lose money. Different types of risks include project risk, industry specific risk, competitive risk, international risk, and market risk. Risk is measured by the standard deviation of price of the likelihood that the promised class form might not be developed. Return, again made by investor, is reference to as the return on their investment. Return on investment, ROI, is emphasized as a percentage and considers a random variable that takes any value within a given range. Risky return trade-off. The risky return trade-off is a fundamental trading principle that describes the inverse relationship between investment risk and investment return. In general, investment offer lower potential return. Investor owes the recent return off to asset their portfolios. Considering factors such as risk tolerance, time horizon, and diversification. Measuring risk and return. In the capital asset price model, CAPM explores to market risk in measured by market beta, while the average price model APM and the multi-factor model allow for examining multiplies sum of market risk and estimates beta for an investment relative to a sum. Default risk is measured by the likelihood that the promised cash flow might not be different. An investment with hurt default risk also can hurt interest rates. Understanding the relationship between risk and return is crucial for investors to make informed decisions and optimize their investment portfolios by considering this risk tolerance and investment objectives. Investors can seek an average balance between risk and return to achieve the financial goals. Risk type. Project specific risk. This type of risk is associated with a specialist project or investment and can be influenced by factors such as project management, technology, and market demand. Industry specific risk. This type of risk is associated with particular industry and can be influenced by factors such as competition, regulation, and technology change. Competitive risk. This type of risk is associated with the competition faced by a company or investment and can be influenced by factors such as market share and product differentiation. International risk. This type of risk is association with investing in foreign market and can be influenced by factors such as political instability, current fluctuation, and economic condition. Market risk. This type of risk is associated with the overall market and can be influenced by factors such as interest rates, inflation, and economic growth. Return return stream has multiple meaning depending on the context. In finance, return refers to the gain made by an investor from the investment. Return on investment (ROI) is expressed as a percentage and coincidence and random variable that take any value within and give range. In general, high-risk investments have the potential for high return, while lower-risk investments offer lower potential return. The risk return trade-off is a fundamental principle in finance that describes this relationship. Investors ask the risk return trade-off to assess the portfolio's conditions, considering factors such as risk tolerance, time horizon, and diversification. Upside of finance. Return can refer to going back to a relevant position or state. It can also refer to bring, giving, putting, or sending something back to its original place or owner. Editorially, return can refer to a comment, a lobby tennis ball, or even a finance profit. Relationship between risk and profit. Typical, the greater the risk taken, the greater the potential profit. Investor or entrepreneur should exercise careful judgment to determine the of risk the appropriate to the objective. Diversification is a common strategy. Diversification is a commonly used strategy to reduce risk in an investment portfolio by spreading risk across different types of assets or the industry. Benefit. Risk management for companies. Benefit this will be obtained by a company if it implements risk management properly while honoring order. Ensure that uncertainty is what characterizes minimizing the possibility or bankrupt. All companies have the possibility of going bankrupt or going out of business. The risk of bankrupt can happen to anyone at any time. No one can guarantee that a company will not do bad. Increase company profit. A good and organized risk management can curtail and rise company profit. One of the benefits of risk management is that I can minimize loss so the profit will be great. Profit job. Security manager must have the ability to understand, analyze, and handle risk. Manager who can handle risk well can help save the company. Profit job. Security manager must have the ability to understand, analyze, and handle risk. Manager who can handle risk well can help save the company. All the explanation of the material from risk and return. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.